If you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one. The last part of the video, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. The interior is in really good condition. It's a non-smoker. Looking at the driver bolster, you can see it's in really good condition. I'm not seeing any rips, tears, or stains or anything like that. All the buttons look nice. Steering wheel looks really good. The driver kick plate is nice and clean. I'm not seeing a bunch of gashes or anything. We do have a little curb rash here on the front right wheel, and then right here on the edge of the hood there is some oxidation here in a couple spots, and then we have a few rock chips, and some of them have been touched up. Got a couple here, and then right here on the edge of the fender we have a couple more scratches that have been touched up, a couple more rock chips.